In this video, I'm going to share a very effective remedy for those dealing with varicose veins in the legs. If you're experiencing this issue, make sure to watch this video till the end. But first, let me explain the basic difference between veins and arteries. Fundamentally, both are blood vessels, but their functions differ. Veins carry blood back from various parts of the body to the heart. The blood in veins is deoxygenated, meaning it lacks oxygen. Let me explain this further. The blood flowing through veins depends on the movement of your muscles and physical activity. To ensure proper blood flow, it is crucial to stay physically active. If you sit for long periods or stand in one place for extended hours, for example, if you have a job where you stand all day, or if your job requires you to sit for long hours, you are more likely to experience vein-related problems. Our body has many different arteries that run from the head down to the legs and even to the toes. When the blood reaches the toes, it enters tiny capillaries that carry oxygen and nutrients from the heart. These nutrients are the vitamins and minerals from the food you eat. So arteries essentially supply oxygen and nutrients to the tissues. Then the deoxygenated blood returns to the heart via the venous system. There is also another venous system associated with the digestive system linked to the liver, which can also cause vein problems. When blood flows through the liver, blockages can cause slow blood flow, increasing pressure in the venous system. To make it easier to understand, think of the liver like a sponge. If the sponge is clogged or blocked by something, no other substance can pass through. This blockage can be caused by fat, wounds, or other issues, and eventually the pressure becomes difficult to manage. If veins near the rectum become swollen due to pressure, this can lead to conditions like hemorrhoids, and one major reason for this can be liver issues. In this video, however, I'm going to focus on chronic venous insufficiency, which usually affects the lower part of the legs, causing improper blood circulation in the veins. This condition can eventually lead to varicose veins or spider veins. If left untreated, it could progress to deep vein thrombosis, where blood clots begin to form. The initial symptoms of chronic venous insufficiency include a feeling of heaviness in the legs, swelling in the legs and ankles, pain, and discomfort that tends to decrease with leg movement. The skin in these areas may start showing changes, appearing shiny or leathery. Hair may start to fall out, itching may occur, and there may be changes in the skin color. Women, especially after pregnancy, are more likely to face varicose veins due to the extra pressure caused by the weight of the baby. During pregnancy, estrogen levels rise, which can loosen the veins, causing blood to pool in the veins. This condition can affect both men and women, but if the liver is impaired, the situation worsens because the liver regulates estrogen levels. The best and most affordable remedy I recommend for vein-related issues is horse chestnut. Many studies and clinical trials support its use for improving vein health. It is not only beneficial for varicose veins, but also for enlarged liver and spleen, leg swelling, and hemorrhoids. You can buy it from any reputable brand, and it's quite affordable. Along with this, I also recommend rebound exercises like climbing stairs, cycling, or slow-paced running. You can even start with a simple walk. Regular movement is key to improving blood flow and opening up the veins. Walking should be part of your daily routine. If you're not walking already, start today. You need to stay active, avoid sitting for too long, and avoid standing in one place for extended periods. If you have liver problems, which are often common with venous issues, I recommend milk thistle and alpha-lipoic acid. These are not only good for fatty liver, but also help with cirrhosis. An active lifestyle, joining the gym, and losing weight will also help. If you have issues with estrogen dominance, I suggest trying maca root. It is a natural herb that helps balance hormones and can normalize estrogen levels while boosting energy and improving mood. These are my recommendations. See you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.